Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Bitcoin just closed the greatest month ever, the biggest growth in dollar terms. That's what happened in November. Then we have XRP, which is actually now finally going up like crazy and became the third largest crypto currency by market cap. Now it went back to the place full, but you know, there's a battle around there at the time now with Tether. Right. Okay. Then we have Bitcoin inflows into Bitcoin spot ETF, 6.4 billion US dollar in November. And finally, we can see some moves when we're looking at the NFT market. Bored Ape Yacht Club, Pudgy Penguins, they are going up. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now, let's do it. All right, and now let's start as always with the prices. So Bitcoin is basically tiny little bit about less than 1% down the last 24 hours, 96,285 US dollar. Ethereum is almost 2% down, 3,637 US dollar. The top gainer so far is KAIA, which is 34% up. I don't even know that one that well. XRP doing very well. I'm going to talk about it. The second biggest performer in the top 100 with 33% the last 24 hours. H-bar 31% up. And well, losers 14% down. Popcat Core 14% down. Brett 11% down. We see some, as you can see, some meme coins going now down, but no major drops. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that Bitcoin is holding itself pretty well. This is here what you can see, the weekly. You know, and yeah, now Bitcoin is going sideways. Why Bitcoin going actually sideways? And let's talk about the Bitcoin in a second. Then we can see actually Bitcoin dominance dropping. Now we are at 56 and we were at almost 62%. That means altcoin season, it's getting, around the corner. Really, actually, it's happening now. It could really boost in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, we're going to see it. You know, sooner or later there is a correction, as always. We don't know it exactly. Historically, we know that usually December, the last weeks of December, were very good for Bitcoin, for crypto. Just remember what happened back in 2017. We went all the way up to 20,000. Then we had 2020. Yeah. When actually we broke that level, and then in January we went higher. So again, good things can happen now, and this is how the altcoin market looks like, not including Ethereum, and of course not including Bitcoin, guys. And now let's move on to the first topic, and the first topic is all about that the Bitcoin has closed the best ever month in dollar term now in November. Very nice gains what we have witnessed. You know, Bitcoin smashed a record with the biggest ever 26K monthly Bitcoin price gain. So, well, when you're looking at the Bitcoin price, let me go here. So here's the candle. Look at this one. This is actually the, we're talking about the opening and the closing price, right? So not even the price range where we were, because in back, if you click this, then we start actually from 67, it went all the way down to 67 in November, and 99.8, 99,800, put it this way. This was the highest, but we're just talking about the body of the candle, okay? And this is the biggest ever. So put it in perspective. Look, what's happening here? Every single time, you know, when there was a green September, we had a green October, green November, and a green December. So what we're witnessing so far, this has actually worked out. So everything so far, so good. And I do remember there were a lot of bearish people at the beginning of October, a lot of bearish people at the beginning of November, and look what it turned out. If you're looking at this chart, every single start of the month, in the last 6 months. We had a dump. After dump, it recovered and actually had the greatest month ever. So I think this is very important to keep in mind when we're looking at, here, the Thanksgiving weekend is over and a new month, what's happening right now. And this is what happened basically in the previous month when it comes to Bitcoin inflow, to spot ETFs, MicroStrategy, and actually Mara. Obviously, the biggest one here is definitely the ETFs. But last month, look at this one. We're talking about 134,480 Bitcoin inflow into MicroStrategy. And just now, between the 25th and 1st of December, they bought 15,400 Bitcoin for $1.5 billion US. So they just keep accumulating. And well, also we had 100,000 Bitcoin price on CME futures. So all things looking good. Now Bitcoin is going a little bit sideways under 100,000, not here, but like, on the spot price. And altcoins behaving quite well. This definitely a sign of an altcoin market, kind of kicking off. I still believe that the biggest gains in that will be next year in 2025. But what we're witnessing so far, it's also pretty great. One of the big altcoins which performed extremely well recently, it's XRP. So let's talk about that. XRP actually, returns to the third largest crypto after 4 years battle with the SEC. And XRP has made a historical comeback as the third largest coin by market cap. The number of XRP Google searches breaking above crypto. So word crypto search in Google, it's lower than the search for the word XRP. And first of all, one of the things which happening right now that, S1 feelings happening with the SEC, and this Wisdom 3 funds is the fourth one in the row. So this is actually cooking for sure. Then, it overtook actually Solana, and for a short time, we have seen it. Let me refresh. Oh no, it's back again. Look at this one. Third place. So we can see. Look at this one. You would understand it better. XRP, look, the third biggest crypto by market cap, now bigger than, Tether. There was a time when now Tether took over. I mean, XRP dropped, put it this way, because, Tether is not that volatile. But now, look, even in the last 24 hours, 32% gain. So XRP, it's now doing like crazy things. And already we are much higher in very short term, where the peak was back in 2021, getting very close to its all-time high. Now we are just 26% away from that. So now XRP things are happening, all the political things in the United States, now with the feelings of the old XRP army coming back. It's a very nice comeback. To be honest with you, something I didn't expect, but that's just me. I'm not even in XRP, but it doesn't mean I don't have great positions in other tokens. This is something which, to be honest with you, it was just for me that, just holding it since 2018 it was just a pain. And now it plays out, but kidding me, it's just like 6 years to wait. Kinda. I'm rather focused in the meantime on the tokens, which played out very well for me, the ones which were trendy. Yes, now XRP became trendy for sure, but now I'm not jumping on this train, because I think I have good positions in other things. But it's definitely something which is great, and whoever's holding XRP, well done. This is what I would say. Okay. And now the next thing is inflows into Bitcoin spot ETFs. Let's look at that one. Right, so look at this one here. 6.4 billion US dollar inflow into Bitcoin spot ETFs in the United States just in November. So I think this is definitely crazy. United States investor poured 6.4 billion into spot Bitcoin ETFs. November, when the Bitcoin market price rallied 45%. all the way to 99.8 as far as you know, historical level, you know. And look at this one. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF bought in 5.6 billion of investment in November, accounting for almost 87% of the total monthly inflow. Like, this is what BlackRock is here doing, and this is here the total. So yeah, it's definitely crazy, but we can see that crypto is right now hot. Bitcoin is hot. Some others, XRP, some other things are hot as well. So this is important. You have to be in these times really watching the market, keeping yourself up to date, because potentially what's coming up now in the next couple of months, at some part of 2025, could be life-changing for many people. What will happen exactly? We don't know. But what we can see now, crypto is definitely something which is trending. And yeah. Okay, finally, let's talk about NFTs, because NFTs also doing pretty well now. If you're looking at the NFT market, you know, it's a kind of comeback for a couple of them. Pudgy Penguins and Bored Ape Yacht Club are probably the two biggest ones right now. Not talking about CryptoPunk, but this is just like kind of different category. Well, let's look at this here. Bored Ape Yacht Club went at 85% in 7 days. Pudgy Penguins 25%, Mutant Ape in 98%, Azuki 26%, Lil Pudgies 26%. You can see that, you know, the Bored Apes and the Pudgies are the top ones. And interestingly, Bored Ape is the one which was the previous best NFT in the last bull market, put it this way. And, you know, they also, like XRP, could have a nice comeback, theoretically, if they continue just like this. Pudgy Penguin is a different kind of story. They are not weren't great in the previous bull market. They are the ones which building slowly but continuously in the bear market and became one of the strongest NFT communities now, and therefore they're doing pretty well. But look at the others, also very nice returns when it comes to the last 7 days. So NFTs also waking up. This is definitely how the bull market starts to cooking, and I think even the best part is pretty much left to 2025, but this is already good to see. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on BlockchainBloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And yeah, see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.